Alrighty folks, we're going to be putting on the bean plate now. As you can see in here, you got an on and an off. So what you do, you just turn this here backwards. Like that there. And that will come off. Set that there. Just line it up on here as so, and then go back to the on way. It locks that in place. Then as it comes up through, hold the camera in there, Dan. As it comes up through, you're going down through like this. It scoops up the seed, drops it in this hole. It helps if you hold it over to the side just a little bit to the right hand side. It'll fall down in there, and then it travels down through there, down into this area here. And like I said before, this shoe is adjustable. Look and see what your seed recommends on there. And then you've got measurements. It said for 1 to 2 inches. We're going to plant it about 1.5. So this will dig a hole, your little trench. We'll move it down to about 1.5 inches. This is going to be another pole bean. We're not going to be using cattle panels on this one. The price of those have really went up. I mean, a lot. Even though we can use them year after year, probably for just about ever. We're going to go ahead and just tie these ones up like the old pole beans like they used to do. And then also, we're going to be planting, after we get done that, some squash, zucchini, and patty pan squash. We'll do that there just a little bit. Shug, what kind of seeds we planting today?
Monte Christo.
These are supposed to be a stringless pole bean. I've had good reviews on them, and that's why we're trying them this year. We'll let you know. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do, folks, this is where we had them at last year. Just take this seed, push it down in there, put 2 in. Seed's getting a little bit of age on it. We're doing this here this evening. It's starting to rain. Okay folks, we planted a zucchini over there. This here is the patty pan, if I can get it open.
Hello, Garfield.
Don't need help right now, Garfield. Actually, I probably do, but okay. And now we're going to plant a few of the yellow squash. Now, reach over here. Alrighty. Now we'll let it rain on there and let Mother Nature take its course. Hopefully we'll see some plants here in a few days. Thank y'all for watching.